Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Exotica 023 in a new video. Today we're going to talk about world's most poisonous plants. Let's get started with the video. Poison hemlock is a dangerous plant that grows throughout the United States. Poison hemlock is scientifically known as Conium maculatum. The hemlock plant has white flowers that grow in clusters and the stem has purple spots. This plant can grow up to 9 feet tall. It was initially brought over from Europe as a garden plant. It typically grows in spring, but in some locations, it can grow as a year-round. Hemlock poisoning occurs after ingesting any part of the plant, such as seeds, flowers, leaves or fruits. The parts of this plant containing alkaloids can be fatal even in small amounts and can affect the nerve impulse transmission to the muscles, eventually killing the person through respiratory failure. Even touching this plant may cause a skin reaction in some people. To date, there is no antidote for hemlock poisoning. Treatment depends on the severity of the condition and symptoms. The most famous case of hemlock poisoning was that of Greek philosopher Socrates in 399 BC. The 70-year-old was guilty of heresy and atrial in Athens. His sentence was death by hemlock and he had to drink the poison by his own hands. Datura is genus of 9 species of poisonous vespertine flowering plants belonging to the family Solanaceae. They are commonly known as thorn apples or Jimson weed but are also known as devil's trumpets. It is often confused with angel's trumpets. Its likely origin was in Central America and it has been introduced in many world regions. Datura is scientifically known as Datura stramonium. D. stramonium has frequently been employed in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. Datura stramonium is a widespread annual plant containing atropine, hyoscyamine and scopolamine, which can produce poisoning with a severe anticholinergic syndrome. The roots, seeds or the entire plant is ingested to obtain its hallucinogenic and euphoric effects. The seeds of Datura are used in the treatment of stomach or intestinal pain resulted from worm infestation, toothache and fever from inflammation. The juice of its fruit is applied to the scalp to treat dandruff and falling hair. All parts of the plant are toxic. Like many members of the family Solanaceae, Datura contains alkaloid tropanes and has a history of ritualistic usage. Poison ivy is a plant that can cause an itchy rash when touched. Poison ivy, poison oak and poison sumac all contain urushiol, a sticky, colorless, odorless oil. Urushiol is not poisonous. It's considered an allergen because it causes an allergic reaction in most people who touch it. Leaves are always in 3, jagged edges, pointy tips, and the middle leaf is on longer stem. There are alternating side shoots, reddish, and the stem has no thorns. The flower has greenish petals and has orange-colored pistils. Their berries are cream-colored or gray. They are mostly found throughout the United States except Alaska and Hawaii. They are found in large number in wetlands, forests, and fields. Poison ivy and other poison plant rashes can't be spread from person to person. Parthenium is a genus of North American shrubs in the sunflower tribe within the daisy family. Parthenium hysteriferus plant causes milk disease in livestock and also responsible for respiratory malfunction in humans. The decoction of P. hysteriferus has been used in traditional medicine to treat fever, diarrhea, neurologic disorders, urinary tract infections, and dysentery. Parthenium allergy is caused by direct and indirect contact with Parthenium hysteriferus. It has been accidentally introduced into India from the United States 20 years ago. The poisonous Parthenium hysteriferus plant is one of the world's most destructive invasive plant species. Chemical control is an effective method to control Parthenium in the areas where its natural enemies are absent. Use of chemical herbicides, such as chloromuron ethyl, glyphosate, atrazine and others are known to be very effective in controlling this weed. Aconitum is also known as aconite, monk's hood, wolf's bane and many others. In practice today, Aconitum napellus is primarily used for acute medical presentations including sudden high fever with chills and fever associated with stitching pains. Aconitum napellus is a perennial herb often grown as an ornamental plant due to its attractive blue to dark purple flowers. Raw aconite plants are very poisonous. They are used as herbs only after processing by boiling or steaming to reduce their toxicity. Every part of the aconite plant is laced with the toxin aconitine, making it dangerous to consume or even touch. Nazi scientists used the plant's toxin to poison bullets. So guys, that was the video. If you liked this, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel Exotica 023. And press the bell icon next to the subscribe button to never miss an update. Share this video with your friends and family on social media and follow our channel for more educative videos like this. This was our first ever video on YouTube and in public. We need your support. At last, thanks for watching.